pag-ibig and I heard the word pagbabago. So, I'm not really particularly getting na may change of heart dito, but that pagbabago is, what I'm getting from that is mukhang magbabago yung love life mo. So, kung single ka man ngayon, posibleng may tao nang dumating sa buhay mo or may paparating na. At kung ikaw man ay hindi na single ngayon pero nasa isang bagong relationship, then I'm seeing overflowing love for you. There is a huge change in your love life. Wow. Someone offered you his or her punong-punong chalice of love. Or kung wala pa siya, someone will offer you his punong-punong chalice of love. Wow! Ang taray. Alamin natin ano to. Meron dito for you guys. This person, his or her eyes and attention will be fixated on you. Fixated. Naka-fix lang sa'yo. Yan. Kumbaga sa manual ng mga appliances. Ito yung klase ng electric pan na hindi iikot. Fix lang ito, no? Hindi iikot ang electric pan. Ganda? Ganda ng example na naisip ko. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. You could be seeing mirroring numbers, okay? Or angel numbers frequently. Oh, ayun. Okay, sorry for that commercial. I had to pause, no? Meron kasing kumatok sa door, mga babes, no? So, pinagbuksan ko muna. So, yan, no, before we start, okay, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there, new subscribers. Ako po si Yan. Welcome tuloy po dito sa community namin. At sa mga returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support that you're giving me. So, wala po tayong gender dito. And of course, okay, mayroon pa tayong mga other channels. Kung interesado rin kayong tumambay sa mga yan, then, yan, no, mga links ay nasa description box. So, wala rin tayong gender dito mga babes, no? So, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. You can flip rose if you want. Of course, you can do that. And at the end of the day, you always have your free will. So, let's get started. I do see that with this Nine of Wands energy, full card, and there's that Two of Cups energy. Looks like this is you, no? This is the fresh connection right here, no? Nasa isang magandang connection na kayo ng person na gustong-gusto mo. Like, officially, you are already in relationship, no? So, either may social media kayo or wala, you are already in a relationship. Nakalagay man doon, nakatag man doon na in relationship na kayo or not, okay? This is you. You are so happy into this type of relationship, no? And you're so excited na ipamalita ito sa lahat, no? That the person you like, kayo na. Sa inyo nakikita ko dito, nagbunga na with this Nine of Wands energy. Full card right here. Ang lahat ng mga tinake mo rito ng mga chances, no? At mga risk, yan, no? So, I'm hearing exhibition. Anto Jackstone. So, nakita ko dito, ano, na parang, I'm getting that extra mile. So, maybe this is you really did show effort into this type of connection, no? Like let me just say na talagang nag-effort ka, you did your very best to win this person's heart, and I do see that this person here, talagang napanalunan mo ang kanyang pag-ibig dito. So, may tagumpay tayo nakikita rito, no? So, this is you. You are excited right here to tell all of your friends or to tell those people close to you, your family, no, na kayo na. Na may boyfriend na kayo, na may girlfriend na kayo, na may ka-relationship na kayo. So, yun mga babes, no? Alam mo yung excitement mo, no? So, let's say, for example, no, this is you are talking with your friend right here, no? O, alam mo naman, na favorite ko talaga yung strawberry. So, may dala siyang strawberry nung araw na yun. So, anong tawagan ninyo? Apple. Strawberry yung favorite pero apple yung tawag. So whatever the case may be, you're so in love. Your eyes tell me na in love ka talaga, no? And your friends around you, the people around you, it finds really weird, no? Na nandiyan ka na sa ganyang energy, but they're so happy to see you na masaya ka, no? Especially if they are close friends or close family members or relatives, no? Or close na katrabaho mo rito, no? So, nakita ko rito that you are so happy telling everybody, uy, kami na, libre kita mamaya. Sige, mga ganun, no? You are so happy na masaya ka, nandito ka sa isang relationship right here, no? Very fresh, and meron dito reciprocity. This person here also show sa'yo na talagang nag-e-effort din siya sa'yo, no? Nakita ko dito ng love is in the air sa inyong dalawa, no? May pag-build rito ng unti-unting matibay na pundasyon, no? Alam mo, nakita ko dito ng ginagawang house, no? Wherein maybe you're literally fixing your home, or maybe you are doing some kind of construction, or baka may inaayos lang sa bahay ninyo, or baka kayo to nagpapatay ng bahay. But what I'm picking up more likely in general doon is that I'm seeing that unti-unting nabibuild ng mas matibay ang connection ninyo ng taong ito. Even though this is just a fresh connection, or this is just something here that, had started recently. So, nakita ko rito, no, na kung ano man tong klase ng connection ninyo, no, tumitibay habang kayo ay nagtatagal, or habang lumilipas ang mga araw, no, na kayo ay may relationship. So, yun na nakikita ko dito, no? So, nakikita ko dito yung mga excitement sa inyong mga mata, no? You are always excited to see each other, always excited, no? Kunin yung mga phones ninyo, look up each other's messages, kung may message na ba, may tawag ba, may miss call ba, no? And para kayo rito feels like you are nasa cloud 9. Okay? Dun pa lang sa marinig ninyong tumunog ang inyong phone. Yeah, I'm hearing yung yung toot, yung parang beep sound, no? Yan, maaaring yan yung ringtone ninyo, no? So, maybe this is you na ganyan yung ringtone mo kapag nasa office ka or nasa school ka. Parang indikasyon yan na merong nag-message sa'yo, it's like a notification right here, no? Na hindi masyadong pa-obvious, no? Kasi baka makita ni prof or ng teacher ninyo, no? Or ikaw to na ayaw mo masyadong ipahalata sa boss mo na nagpipay attention ka more likely sa yung cellphone, di ba? So, I do see that it's some kind of, excitement, yung tinatawag nila no, na yung excitement no, during the first stages of the relationship. No? But I do not see that this is just the first stages of a relationship, even though kakasimula pa lamang nito. Yan, no? Basta excited ko yung dalawa. Excited ko yung dalawa na mas makilala pa yung isa't isa. No? Mas nagiging interesado kayo rito, no, kung ano pa yung mga matutuklasan at madidiscover ninyo sa isa't isa, no. I'm seeing that both of you are really, nasa parehas kayo ritong, you're on the same page. Nasa parehas kayo rito na posisyon dito sa relationship ninyo kung saan parehas ninyong gustong makilala yung isa't isa. A lot of fun, a lot of bonding moments, palaging gustong kasama yung isa't isa, no. Yan yung inyong connection maaaring 2 weeks ago or 3 days ago, yun yung nakikita ko rito 'no. So, kung ano man yan, posibleng hindi kayo nag-uusap ngayon, yan 'no. Medyo posibleng may tampuhan kayo ngayon, yan 'no. Parang sweet kayo nung nakaraang linggo lang. Tapos ngayon, yan 'no, ay go. So, kayo 'to na nagtatampuhan, puwedeng kayo 'to 'no, na parang hindi masyado nag-uusap ngayon with the Four of Coins energy right here 'no, yan. Ang ganda na ng sinabi mo Miss yan, eh, ba't biglang gano'n yung banat? Alam mo kasi mga babes, love is the most beautiful thing on earth. I know that. Here, sa love, hindi talaga maiiwasan na hindi kayo magkaroon ng hindi pagkakaintindihan, tampuhan, 'di ba? So, dito nakikita ko na posibleng hindi kayo nag-uusap ngayon 'no, kasi nandun kayo sa parte or dun sa scene 'no, kumbaga sa drama nandudun kayo sa scene kung saan puwedeng nagkakatampuhan kayo ngayon, 'di kayo nagpapansinan 'no. Pero what I love about this is that this Four of Coins energy is being surrounded by Three of Coins and the Six of Wands. Ibig sabihin mga babes 'no, ito yung klase ng tampuhan na tampuhan lang talaga, okey? Hindi miss yan, eh, feeling ko talaga magbe-break na kami. Ay hindi babe, yang tampuhan niyo na yan, pansinin mo 'tong rosas sa gitna. I am the reader that for me, rose is the symbol of romance blooming. And look at that, no one will let go of each other. Romance will always bloom. Mas mangingibabaw pa rin ang inyong pagmamahal sa isa't isa. Matatagumpayan ang lahat ng mga maliit hanggang sa malaking pagsubok, which is what I love about this reading of yours. Okay? May mga times man na hindi kayo mag-uusap dahil nagkatampuhan kayo at may mga oras na hindi kayo magkakaintindihan. Pero ang simbolo ng roses na ito, no? Yan, ang malaking roses na yan. At yung vines na yan, no? Ang magbubuklod sa inyong dalawa. Nakikita ko na yung pagmamahalan ninyo is mas magiging matimbang kaysa sa mga pagdadaanan ninyong tampuhan mula sa maliit na mga bagay hanggang sa malalaking mga bagay. Yan. So, this is literally someone here meant to be in your life. This person is someone here who will, who will be with you in the journey of your life. At ito yung companion mo. So, kung hindi man kayo nag-uusap ngayon, mag-uusap rin kayo niyan. Okay? Palagi ako nakakita ng patubong bulaklak sa inyong dalawa. Any season, winter season, spring season, autumn, rainy season, whatever, you will, you will always end up together. Communication will happen right here, and I'm seeing that you will always choose with this Knight of Cups energy to listen at umunawa, understand. I'm seeing that this person here will bring, yan katama tong gift na to, offering that comes from his or her heart. 'Di ba? Nandito yun sa left chest. Nasa left chest niya ang gift. So, this person here will always choose. Actually, hindi lang siya, pati ikaw. You will always choose to understand because of love na nakita kong mamamayani sa inyong dalawa. This is the kind of love. I, for others of you, I'm seeing na posibleng may age gap rito. Pero kung meron man, hindi ganun kalayo. So, just take how this resonates. We do not have any age and gender in the tarot, ha? But I do pick up that both of you will be choosing na mag-ceasefire at makinig sa isa't isa. Napakaganda ng connection na to, no? Kasi araw-araw, mas pinipili ninyong piliin ang isa't isa kaysa sa mga problema na pagdadaanan ninyong dalawa. I'm seeing that this person here will be the person na huli mong makakasama in this lifetime. I'm seeing two old couples right here holding hands. And with that, that only means, I'm particularly seeing a watch. It's color black. Maybe this person here, niregaluhan kanya ng black watch. Okay. Yeah, the strap is black. Okay. That's very specific. So just take how this resonates. So the general message that I'm seeing from that watch is that most of the times here that you will spend on earth will be right beside this person. Mm-mm. Time is the most precious gift that both of you will receive because you will be having here a lot of time. I'm seeing you that you will grow old together. Tatanda kayo. 80 years. 80 years old and above. And this is the last person that you will definitely mahahawakan ang kamay niya. Meaning to say, this person is not going anywhere. This relationship is far from ending because it's not ending. You will always choose to be in love with each other, to understand the situation, and to keep each other sa tabi ng isa't isa. Love will always bloom and will be the center of your relationship. Wow! Diba? So, kahit kayo ay tumanda na, no? Hindi kayo magbabago. Okay? Diba? Ang inyong pangako ay mananatili ritong matutupad ng bawat isa. Diba? So, nakita ko rito na ang klase ng connection na to ay nagsimula ng maganda hanggang sa dulo. Isa itong napakagandang storya na worth it na ikwento sa mga susunod pa na henerasyon. Ang klase ng ganitong pag-ibig ay medyo mahirap paniwalaan ng mga kabataan ngayon. Pero, ito yung klase ng kwento na totoo at talagang nag-i-exist. At ito ay ang kwento mo. So, kung naniniwala ka na ang pag-ibig ay para sa'yo, tama ka. Dahil yung taong yang kasama mo, ang isang malaking patunay na ang pag-ibig ang isa sa pinakamakapangyarihang enerhiya sa mundo. Ganda guys. And nakakita rin pala ako mga babes, no, ng puting medyas. Okay? So, kung brand ang pag-uusapan, Nike, yung medyas. So, puwedeng naglaba kayo niyan o may nakita kayo sa sampayan ng ganyan, just like how this resonates. Okay, thank you so much mga babes 'no, and have a nice day and love and light. 사랑해요. 안녕.